Nanocomputers. What is nanocomputing? Nanocomputing describes those components that uses extremely small or nanoscale devices. Architectures. Let's go to the points. Two forces driving the need for new circuits design and architectures. Invention of devices and technologies that have completely different physical principles from FET. New processing technologies combining CMOS functions with other functions. 3D integration, quantum cell automata, quantum computing. Let's see the points of architectures. Quantum cell automata, array of quantum dots. An extension of the CNN concept is that of quantum dot cellular automata. This architecture uses arrangements of single electrons that communicate with each other by Coulomb repulsion over large arrays. The arrangement of electrons at the edges provides the computational output. The electron arrangements of QCA are controlled by an external clock and operating according to the rules of Boolean logic. Another potential architecture is that of crossbar switching, in which molecules are placed at the intersection of nanometer scale wires. These molecules provide coupling between the wires and provide computing functionality. Let's go to the 3D integration. In this 3D integration, physical integrate emerging devices that have different technologies. Microprocessor with ASI, etc. Molecular with plastic or quantum conductors. CMOS with dissimilar material systems. Reduce global interconnect. Enables mixed with technology solution. It is associated with the need to integrate dissimilar technologies on a common platform to deliver an optimum info processing solution. Moore's law. According to Moore's law, the number of transistors that will be fit on a silicon chip doubles every 18 months. Presently, microprocessors have more than 40 million transistors. By 2012, they could have up to 5 billions. By the year 2020, the trend line of Moore's law states that there should be A1 nanometers feature size. How the nanocomputer works. Nanocomputer would work by storing data in the form of automatic quantum states or spin. There are several methods of nanoelectronic data storage currently being researched. Among the most promising are set electron transistors and quantum dots. All of these devices functions based upon the principles of quantum mechanics. Conclusion: nano-based quantum computers would revolutionize computing and increase their computing power tremendously. It covers the underlying physics, reliability, and nanoscale quantum optical and molecular computing. Thank you.